Hi everybody, today we're installing these monkey bars. We got them from Amazon and so far we have been using them for almost 6 months and we don't have any complaints. They have been very good and the paint's still there, so we really like it. Now we just want to show you what comes in the box and how we install them. So each box will have 4 bars and their own screws. And the material is metal. The nice thing is that it feels very heavy, so it feels like it's going to last.
So to set up these guys, we're gonna use wood. We're gonna make rails with wood. Now, I personally have popcorn ceiling, which means this is useless. Stud finder, because you need to find studs. So what I use is this. There we go. All I do is make holes and see where the studs are at, and then I mark it with tape. So just to show you, you can barely see the holes anywhere, but there they are. So there's one little hole, there's another little hole. So wherever there are studs, I just mark it with tape. Where there's no tape, there's nothing. And you can barely see the holes because it is popcorn ceiling. But if you guys don't have that, you guys have something nice and smooth like this part, then just, find your studs. And from there, you guys can install the rails. Alright, so here are the rails. Now we're just on to place these guys. And they came with their own screws. We're going to be using those. Now to install these, we do have to pre-drill. So choose the right bit for you. However, I want to mention the spacing between the bars. It really does matter on the age of your kids. So for older kids, more space. Younger kids, less, because their arms just won't reach. So we're setting this up for a 3-year-old, so the spacing between bars will be significantly less. Alright, so what I always recommend doing is just put just one in, then you guys can move this around to wherever it's best. So then you can measure it from here to here, from there to there, make sure it's equal, and then keep going with the spacing. But always just do one screw first, and then go on with all the other ones so you guys can move it around and make it perfect. And just by placing one, it should stay for the moment.
And this is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to write them here below. See you soon. Bye!